Now we're going to solve for the third step. So the third step is to complete the second row, and that is completing these middle pieces right here on each side. So the way that we're going to do that is we are going to work off of the middle on the bottom row. So here's still our top, here's our bottom, and here is our middles on the bottom row. So what we're going to do is we're going to look for a bottom middle that does not have yellow. We want to stay away from yellow. So here we can see that this is blue and this is orange. So this middle piece actually goes right here. So we need to get this piece right here. So first step is the color that is on the face of that bottom middle, we're going to line it up with its centerpiece. So we've got that centerpiece right here lined up with the blue, and we've got the orange. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to move away from the color that we want to work with. So the orange is here, the orange centerpiece is there. We're going to move the bottom away. So we're going to move that to the left, and we're going to bring our right side down. We're going to bring that corner back, that middle piece to the middle, and then we're going to put that piece back up. Now what that does is that lines these two pieces together. Now we're going to go back and revisit step 2. What we need to do now is get this corner back up to where it needs to be, which is right up here. So we still do the same thing that we would do in step 2. So now we've got this white down here. It's on the right, on the right hand side. So we're going to move it to the right. So we're going to move it away. We're going to put it down. We're going to replace that, and we're going to bring that back up. Now that middle piece that we originally had right here is here in place, matching with the centerpieces. So let's find another one. So there's an orange and a green. We're going to take that orange and we're going to match it with its centerpiece right here. Now if this is green down here, we need to look at the centerpiece here. We know that that piece goes right here. So if we've got orange here, the green is here, the green is on the right hand side, we're going to move the bottom to the left. And we're going to pull this side down. We're going to move the bottom to the right, and then we're going to put it back up to the top. So again, now we've got these two lined up, and we go back to step number 2 and just put that white corner back up top. So here we move it away, we drop that corner down, we replace that corner, and then we bring it back up, and now we've got our middle piece there. So we're going to stay away from the yellow, stay away from the yellow. We've got green and orange, or green and red right here. That's already matched up with its centerpiece, which is good. So we know that red and green, that piece is going to go right here. So here we're going to move away from that color. So we're going to go right this time. We're going to bring that corner down. We're going to replace it and put it back up. And that is going to put these two pieces together. Again, back into step 2. We're going to move that away from the corner, pull it down, replace it, and move it back up. So now that piece that was here is now into the middle section right there. Now we've got one last piece. We've got red and blue. We need to match that with the red centerpiece. And then we're going to put it right here. So again, we're moving away from the color that we're working with. Pull that corner down, put it in place, and replace it. Now these two are matched, and we are going to now put that white piece back up on top where it belongs by doing step 2, and now you've solved for the top 2 rings.